So in this video we're going to have a quick look at the marketplace from the perspective of an end user. So somebody who is not necessarily particularly technical, but they have come to the marketplace either from a direct link or from a referral, but they're coming here and they want to have a look at the marketplace, what applications or integrations are available. As is typical nowadays, we have certain tools to help a user explore and browse the application. So we've got a text tool, so we can input some text here, and that would apply to the list. So we shorten the list a little bit, but not much. Maybe that's not a good one. Maybe we want to specifically, we're looking for something to do with storage. Right, there's one app there, etc. Right. We may already know a publisher that we're interested in, so we want to sort by publisher name just to see that they're grouped together. Or we might even only want to look at more recent, amended or up-to-date apps. We can filter, and we've got labels. So these items here appear here. We can maybe, if we know it's maybe Google we want to look at, well, there's one application there, or anything else that we think is relevant for our search. So this really just helps us shorten the list to make it more readable, more accessible for the visitor. Or we could do the same with publishers. Once we perhaps identify some applications that are of interest, we can say go and have a look at them, so the detail of the application to get more information. And this is a test app, so there's not much information here, but typically you would have much more information that's available for somebody to look at. So that helps us in our discovery phase of looking at the integrations. Then we might get to a situation where we're quite happy. We've identified some apps that we're interested in, and we want to decide to actually use or at least test the apps. So first stage is we might want to subscribe to the app, and this does two things. If I subscribe to this app, Diamond app, two things. It kind of acts like a favorite, which is in my application. So these are applications that I've created. I also have some that are not mine, but I've subscribed to. So this is a quick access. I don't have to go through the marketplace proper to find that app. I've got it here saved in a specific zone. Then the second thing is I'm going to get notifications if there's any changes by the publisher of this app. So if there's an updated API, or if it's perhaps maybe the app's getting deprecated, then perhaps I want to know about that. So then that's going to be a benefit of being subscribed to it. But going back to the marketplace, maybe the last thing that is of note here that I'll show you is there are different types of apps that may get published. We'll look at this in more detail from a publication point of view, but you might have apps that would connect to an API and require client ID and client secret credentials to be provided by the user. It may be an app that pushes you to an external URL link where you can either maybe download an SDK, or you can sign in to the publisher's account and get access to a certain service. Or even you might want to simply just connect a SaaS service that you have with one of the integrations here. And that's typically, for example, what we see here. This is a connection to G Drive. We can see we might be interested in, and I can proceed to connect to the app, and this will take me through a little process for that, and then I can start using it. And that is really basically a marketplace. It's, as you can see, not a lot of technical expertise is required to browse and understand what's available to subscribe and then to connect. In terms of the setup of this, we'll look at that in a different video, but that's us for now.